So eat.
And 10, just get away to the southwest parking there and then continue north line, spot 3.
That was cool.
3 inbound, 0.7, please direct 9 or 10.
Got it now? Angry puppy, is that what it, oh, does it have that name? Look at the size of the engine. No, I'm talking about the angry puppy. Those are pretty good. They pretty much ain't American. I like my couch. What's that? Yeah, it is. Hold it.
Turn to spot 14, where were we going?
Okay. Yeah.
3972, I'm sorry, you just want to step on. What's your gate? Continue south line of the gate. South at 663, push off that house.
Look how much this ramp is buckled.
663, push through, tail west. Tail west.
Heck yeah.
Stay put.
Oh well. Oh, we got. Look at this. I'm recording the freaking boarding, dude. This is. Oh, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Doing great.
It's got like 7 seats in it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, flight crew's here, we gotta step it up.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, flight crew's up here? Alright, we're going quick to the cockpit.
We're going quick, alright.
Yep. You want to fix the snack, we gotta go downstairs to the flight crew.
Aviation buffs.
Yeah.
They started somewhere too, you know?
Yeah, I understand that. Wow, look at all these switches. We all
Well, a lot of
circuit
these here are
breakers.
circuit breakers.
Circuit breakers, yeah.
Now that panel right there, no, down on the front, next to...
Alright, you hit on that first, bud.
Go ahead.
Nah, you
Oh, you want to get the full shot?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Alright.
Are those the only seats, jump seats back there?
There's 2 here, and then there's a couple bunks back there too.
Oh, sweet.
That's awesome.
Nice.
Some planes even actually have another one over here.
Okay.
Hey, they're from your local explorer coach, man. They want to find it.
I'm Jacob. I'm Jacob. Curtis.
Thanks a lot, appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks a lot, guys.
Have a good trip.
Thank you so much.
32 foot.
request taxi. That's a 228 Heavy, Cincinnati ground, runway 27, taxi via Kilo, and you said you had Alpha? Affirmative. Alpha, Delta 228, runway 27 via Kilo. Thank you.
There he goes.
Oh, baby. Dude, that's awesome. Yeah, Joe, you can get that Tamron, dude. You can get like some
Number
instant shots.
4595, follow the Heavy Delta at the end and monitor tower. Your release time is wheels in the well between 8 and 11. Between 8 and 11, number 4595.
This is a 1-8 center.
Up to 1833 Cincinnati Tower, 7 miles and 12 in every rear, wind 1006, runway 18 center, clear to land.
Please land 1-8 center, Delta 1833.
Good afternoon, number 6287. Bravo 11 with Sulu, ready for push.
6287 at B11 straight back, push approved. Can I get your runway?
Runway 27.
Okay, straight back please.
Okay, by 27, number 6287.
And ramp for QR 3676 taxi.
3676, you'll taxi to spot 2, ground point 7. Have a good day.
On 2 ground point 7, have a great day for QR 3676.
Following to 730.
Star 7550 Sierra, Roger Caution Lake turbulence, so they following the 737-1090-7 runway 18 center, clear to land.
Go ahead, 50 Sierra, 187.
Car 3751, next left turn north on Delta, spot 14, contact ramp tower, have a good night.
That's spot 14 in ramp tower, that's your good.
228 Heavy 10907, runway 27, clear for takeoff, traffic form off on crossing runway.
On the roll, runway 27, clear takeoff, Delta 228.
FedEx 101.
FedEx, push through. Let's see here, what spot are you coming out of? Circle 3676, runway 27, taxi via Sierra, Juliet, Kilo 2, confirm Alpha, and stay with me for your release. 27, and we'll pick up Alpha real quick, we'll stay with you.
There's spot 5.
Circle 3676, no delay.
Yeah.
131.
You text him or something?
Yeah, I texted him.
09, runway 27, clear for takeoff, traffic form off, final crossing runway.
How old is he?
I think he's early 20s. He's like really young. He just started doing flight training too. Oh, they're about to push that.
Ground point 7, wish it was a good night, Allegiance 1315, we're heading back out.
Sorry about that.
Alright, you have a good night, pal.
Get your
3826 that tower, and then left line up away.
You guys see the C-130? Was
Spot 2 to the gate, lead 13.
Or Sargent's post, spot 2 for Alpha 10. 6264, continue to the gate, Alpha 10. Continue to gate, Alpha 10, air 6264.
I'm gonna take you guys back. All right. You gotta go home.
Spot 14,
About 1 minute.
Okay, that's fine. Tell me how you want to move.
Will do.
I'm gonna take way back there.
3309, it's B.